Why'd you have to give me my hottest pants?
It's gonna get cold. Don't worry.
Well, I seen a guy that was like,
You wanna ride it? I'll take a photo of you.
oh,
Right?
hell no. That's cool.
All the places. So long, bro. It takes about an hour and a half to get there. But we're still doing it because Orion wants to.
Gang, the ride is tough as hell. Gang, this is
Say worth it. We're halfway there.
You gotta drive everywhere.
Yep, they're fries.
What can you say?
That was tough.
W.
Everything.
Don't mind the thestrals. Dead clever and useful they are. Right, off you go. We'll meet at the edge of the forbidden forest. We'll have to round up the screws before they set fire to anything else. They just don't know what they're doing. Arthur warned me about those bikes, but I didn't think they'd take Ollie into the forbidden forest. Just hang on. Oh, and don't mind Fluffy. His barks are worse than his bites. No, don't panic. I'll just, oh no. Looks like you've lost power.
Oh crap!
I've got you. Don't worry. Reparo. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic. Oh, crikey, you're tangled in devil's snare. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. That was close. Oh, you found my missing streaks. Best be getting you out of here before you get blasted. Now, hit those purple buttons. Dragonfire's got a kick. Well, I'll be. There's a unicorn. And look, she's a ruddy lucky thing to see such a sight in the wild. But Merlin's weird, we did see Dixie,
Light works.
Stroots, and unicorns. Oh, and I'd be grateful if you didn't mention any of this to anyone back at Hogwarts. See you next lesson.
There you go.
All good.
she lives up to that name. She's very quick at grabbing things. Alrighty. Hello, my friends. Yeah, you can pass that camera off to Zeke. Come on down to the line. Welcome. Where are we from? Philippines. Philippines. Welcome from Philippines. You didn't bring any Jollibee, did you? Next time, I'm telling you, next time. She'll take the chicken, I'll take the spaghetti, okay? What is your name, my friend? What is it?
Orion.
Orion. Very good, Orion. Put your hand up like that. We're going to do a little training, all right? Just side to side, real slow. Excellent. What Orion is showing us here is called tracking. It's a tracking exercise. Oh. What is happening here? She's like, what's going on? What's happening for you, Sierra? What? You're just watching, yeah? Oh. She got nervous. All right, very good. What, you want to do that more now? I think she likes you, Orion. Yeah. Yeah, All right, awesome. Thank you. Very good. Come on down, my friends. Hello. And what is your name? Alex? Hello, Alex. Where are you from?
How do they do that, bro?
He always gets special like effects.
America. Very good, Alex.
More. The guy's hungry.
Oh, he's eating garbage?
Yeah, because somebody missed the garbage when they threw some.
I don't think that's a trap.
What's up, guys? This is Santa Orion. Ho ho ho.
Ho ho ho.
You're a hostess. Ew.
Here's my unwashed underwear. I'm just playing this, obviously washed. Time to shave.
Orion, go.
It's time to shave, you're. Time to shave. Yeah, I got stuff.
70 degrees right now? Or 73? I don't even know. We're going to play basketball, ping pong, and everything else. Hi.
Sandamakmak ng tuwi-tuwi.
Hi.
Freaking end that. No, end that.
Okay.
It's a little confusing, but it's alright.
I'm gonna try dark Samus.
Board your flight from Philadelphia.
Hey.
So guys, we're finna go back now. I don't want to go back, but we have to because my dad, he just wants to go back. I wish we could stay here a very long time and not come back to that cold ass place. See, we're on the plane already, gang. It felt like 30 minutes we were in.
Once again, Southwest Westport Southwest Airlines.
On a video when
Open
the plane
seating,
starts
guys.
moving.
No assign.
We got nobody to sit with us because we put my jacket in here. Yeah.
So only half left in, you can finish that in less than an hour. But if you're gonna be spending time complaining,